simultaneous linear equation in two variables we are going to learn. Number one is we put it in a situation first and try to understand what is simultaneous linear equation. Suppose I have some money and the other person has some money and the sum of our money is 5 rupees. Then there can be many combinations possible, and we can frame an equation called x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5 means we can have x plus y is equal to 5, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, or we can have x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. We can have x is equal to 6 and y is equal to -1. So there are thousands of such combinations possible, So those pair of values of x and y which will satisfy this equation is called the solution of this equation. So for a pair of for a single linear equation, there are infinite values which can satisfy the given equation. This is a single one. So solution means those values of the variable which we kept in the equation will satisfy the given equation. So suppose I try to frame up a box and try to get points like this, where the value of x and y will satisfy this equation, and we come to this type of situation. Now I plot this on a graph. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, and x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1, and we use a scale and we make a straight line joining these points. So we get this. Okay, when you are using graph you will be getting it perfect. So why do we call it linear equation is because when we take up the values of the variables and place it on a graph, then when we join these points we get a straight line. That is why it is called a linear equation. Alright, and every point on that line will actually have x plus y is equal to 5. That means it will satisfy that equation of which it is the line. For example, if I take up this point, so here x is 6 and y is -1. Did you understand? Now suppose the same person whom I have, the sum of our money 5, if the difference of our money is 1, then we get another equation, x minus y is equal to 1. So there will be number of values for this equation which will satisfy only this equation, like 2, 1, 3, 2. So and there can be many other. We can even have 1 and 0. Suppose I put 1 and 0. 1, 0. So I am putting this. Alright. So now if I take 1 and 0, x is equal to 1, y is 0. And if I take x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. And then if I join these 2 points, so I get another straight line, and these two straight lines intersect at one point. Now let us check the coordinate of the point where these two lines cut. Draw up a perpendicular. So you are getting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So we write it in order pair, always x first and y later, 3, 2. So 3, 2 is the solution of the pair of equation. That means 3, 2 will satisfy both the equation. 3, 2, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the first thing when somebody asks you that what are you doing, then you say, some students say I am solving this. So they will say, what is the meaning of solving it? Then you straight away say, I am trying to find out those values of the variables which when kept in the equation will satisfy both the equations. if you're solving a pair of simultaneous equations. Did you understand? Now, so here is the main part. You can zoom it. When you're playing it, you can zoom it. If it is on a mobile, and on the desktop it's okay. On any other bigger bigger device it's okay, but in the mobile you can zoom the special places where I am pointing out. To find out a solution for a pair of linear equation, we need those value of x and y which will satisfy both the equation. Now there are many methods: method of elimination, method of substitution, method of cross multiplication, and method of graphical solution. So this one little bit of glimpse you have. Now we'll go one by one, and lastly we'll come again to the graphical equation. So that's all. Thank you.